Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Remove and reseat the SIM card to rule out poor contact and inspect the tray for bends. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and restart the phone to refresh radio services. Make sure your preferred network mode matches the carrier, LTE or 3G. If available, test the SIM in a second phone to isolate device versus SIM issues. This quickly tells you whether to proceed to deeper settings or contact the carrier. Now perform targeted diagnostics. Go to mobile networks and manually select your carrier to bypass automatic selection errors because the phone may latch to an invalid cell. Next, reset network settings to remove any corrupt APN, VPN, or Wi-Fi calling configurations. This restores defaults without erasing your media. Make sure to check for carrier or system updates and complete any SIM profile prompts. These updates often restore proper authentication and roaming rules necessary for. Finish by power cycling the device after reinserting the SIM. If removable, briefly remove the battery to fully clear the radio. Re-enter the carrier's APN details precisely. Incorrect values prevent data and sometimes registration. Once done, verify signal bars and make a test call. If you remain offline, contact your carrier and provide IMEI and SIM IXID so they can check provisioning. One troubleshooting tip: test a known working SIM in your phone. If that works, the provider must reprovision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.